This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Transmission oil renewal. Before proceeding, check that the handbrake is fully applied. Chock the rear wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle using a jack, support it on axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Remove the fixings that secure the undertray to the vehicle. The undertray can now be removed from under the vehicle. Position a suitable container under the drain plug, which is situated on the final drive casing at the rear of the transmission. Then unscrew the drain plug. When the oil has finished draining, clean the drain plug threads and those of the transmission casing. Wipe any metallic particles off the magnetic inserts, fit a new sealing washer, then refit the drain plug and tighten it. Place the undertray under the vehicle and position it in line with the fixings. Refit and tighten the fixings to secure the undertray to the vehicle. Raise the vehicle using a jack, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. The chocks can now be removed from the rear wheels. Disconnect the air intake and the mass airflow connector, then unclip and remove the air filter housing. Wipe clean the area around the filler or level plug on BE4/5 transmission or the breather cap on ML6C transmission. The filler or level plug for the BE4/5 is situated on the left-hand end of the transmission, next to the end cover. The breather cap for the ML6C, which is where you will need to add the oil, is located on the top of the transmission. Remove the filler or level plug from the transmission and recover the sealing washer on BE4/5 transmissions or prise off the breather cap on ML6C transmissions. Refill the transmission with the exact amount of the specified type of oil. The level is correct when the oil comes up to the lower edge of the filler opening. If the correct amount was poured into the transmission and a large amount flows out on checking the level, refit the filler or level plug and tighten it as specified. Then take the car on a short journey so that the new oil is distributed fully around the transmission components. Then check the level again on your return. Refit the air filter housing, then reconnect the air intake pipe and mass airflow connector.